In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the camera on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're troubleshooting a camera issue or setting up for your first meeting, understanding how to enable the camera can enhance your virtual collaboration. Let's start by ensuring that your camera is properly connected to your computer. If you're using an external camera, double-check that it's securely plugged into the USB port. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause the camera not to be recognized by the computer. If you're using a laptop, make sure the camera is built in and nothing is obstructing the lens. Once your camera is set up, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams. You can find the Teams application in your Start menu or by typing Teams into the search bar. After opening Teams, click on your profile picture, which is located at the top right corner of the window. From here, select the Settings option from the drop-down menu. This takes you to a new window where you'll see several categories on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on Devices. In the Devices section, you should see a subsection labeled Camera. Here, a drop-down menu will display any available cameras connected to your computer. Make sure to select the correct camera from this list. If no camera is listed, double-check your connections and consider restarting Teams. Now, it's time to test your camera and see if it's working. You can do this directly from the Devices menu by clicking on Make a Test Call. This feature allows you to verify that both your audio and video settings are correct before joining a meeting. During this test call, you'll see a small preview of your camera feed. If you can see yourself clearly, your camera is enabled and ready to go. If not, consider checking your camera drivers by visiting the manufacturer's website for any necessary updates. Before joining a meeting, always ensure that your camera is enabled. You'll have the opportunity to toggle your video on or off just before entering a Teams meeting. Look for the camera icon during this preview screen. If it's crossed out, just click it once to enable the camera. Lastly, if you're still encountering difficulties, consider checking your computer's privacy settings. On a Windows machine, navigate to Privacy Security in your Settings menu, and click on Camera. Ensure that apps like Microsoft Teams have permission to access your camera. By following these steps, you should have no trouble getting your camera working on Microsoft Teams. If issues persist, reviewing these settings or consulting with IT support can often resolve more complex issues. With your camera successfully enabled, you're now ready to actively participate in all your meetings, whether they're for work, school, or personal interactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.